My respect to our guest, to our authorized representative of the school's division superintendent, Dr. Annabel Bayuhin, to our honorable barangay captain, to our IDCOM chairman, to our kagawad, to our parents, teachers, graduates, trapuhisan na inyong luha. Good morning. Murag last na lang sulting, sir ninyo, no? Ato na mo sa school. As we bring this successful and meaningful graduation ceremony to a close, we do so with hearts full of gratitude, pride, and hope. First and foremost, we extend our sincerest appreciation to our dedicated teachers. Your unwavering commitment, patience, and countless sacrifices have guided and nurtured our learners every step of the way. Because of you, our graduates stand here today ready to face the future. We also give our heartfelt thanks to the hardworking committees behind this event. Stricto kay si Sir, dapat pareha jud ang certificate of design, parehas jud ang decoration, tanan. Salamat ninyong tanan. Those in charge of decorations, sound system, and physical arrangements. Your efforts and teamwork